Hi there, this is my version of hand cranked non-electrical washing machine. In any emergency or SHTF situation, you need something like this. I found on YouTube a lot of different types, but I tried some of it and I didn't satisfied with it. First attempt was this from scrap lumber made piece, but much better is this from PVC half-inch pipes. And this is excellent washing machine. How to wash with this? I found on YouTube a lot of advices which are not good. Some put it in water, 1 minute washing and wash it. Impossible. If you want to real wash your clothes, you have to put it in water with detergent, as I did, for at least 1 hour to soak. Believe me, at least 1 hour. When I have a really dirty clothes, I let it overnight when I go to sleep to soak in water. Then wash it at least 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes left, right, and after about 1 minute, at least half minute, up, down. Up, down, you must add air to the water. Then again, left, right. You must not swing it too fast nor too slow. And of course, do not overload your washing machine. Why using this type? Because you do not have to have anything special, any ordinary bucket. And what if you don't have bucket? For example, you don't have bucket, you got only big pot. You can use anything, any big pot to wash your clothes. And if you're using bucket, you don't have to damage anything. Usually you have to damage lid. What if you don't have lid at all? And after washing 10 minutes, of course, you have to change water and rinse at least 5 minutes. Yes, it's 15 minutes of washing, but believe me, you must use that time, because the shortest program on my electrical washing machine is 1.5 hours. Simply, you cannot wash it for 1 minute. And I'm using this for a couple months and I am pretty satisfied with it. That's all, folks, and thanks for watching.